Red zoom of dream. Move myself. I am so lucky to share my wordle with a sweet and amusing person like you. I really cannot imagine the picture of how the future will be without your companionship and love. I am ready to face whatever thing life brings because the love you shown me is my biggest motivation. You given me more than everything I needed from a lover. You are nothing less of the exact person I deserve to have in my life. I love you with every corner of my heart because no other persons has earned my love just the way you earned it me by unconditionally love is you are forever. I promise I want to replace you. I do not think I can ever replace you because nobody of on the face of this earth can fit perfectly into your place. No one, I mean, no one can love me as you. Your love, what I never ends, was everything I needed to bring light to my dark world. Your love is just so incorrectable because you gathered and also made it my broken heart in one complete basis, and all these you did with your sweet love me. Purpose was not defined, but I am generating and motivated to keep living. The say you only fell in love once, but that cannot be true. Every time I look at you, I feel in love all over again. To have you as my girl is my honor. Be with me always. I am having one of those days that make me realize how loose I'd be without you. Meeting you was fate. Become your friend was a choice, but feeling in love with you was beyond my control. If you see a shooting star close your eyes, making a wish, it worked for me. I wished for you, explaining to you how much and why I love you would be like my describe how what testes it is impossible. I hope you know how much you mean to me. You are such an important part of my life. In fact, you are the center of my life. Everything I do is for us, and I hope you know that I always trying to do the right thing that will make our relationship a stronger one. Have inspired me to be the best version of myself that I can possibly, and I hope you that I can somehow repay you for everything that you have done for me. Without you, I would a completely different person. You have taught me so much about life, and because of you, I truly know what love is. I keep smiling throughout the day for no reason. While you are away, the memory of your radiated face keep bringing a smile on my face, and I long every moment to see you again. Your morning text is the best way to start my day. I love you cheating with you, and I wish you were with me. I wait for your message eagerly, and it keeps me driving through the day. I keep thinking of you the whole days. It's like you are a part of me and my life, even when you are not around. Have never felt this way and love feeling. I love you more than yesterday, but less than tomorrow each day. My love for you expands as we share more our lives together. Our journey has been incredible so far, and I know our future will be even more amusing with every sunrise and every sunset. I find a new reason to love you more deeply, to crush you more fully. Every love story is beautiful